Welcome, my beautiful, beautiful people, to D Dawn Kitchen. Guess what, guys? D Dawn is at it again. She's in the kitchen. And, lovely people, we're going to do papaya jam. So, let's dive into it. This is one papaya. It's already peeled. You need half a lemon, quarter teaspoon of ginger powder, and 1 cup of sugar. That's all we need for our papaya jam. And you're gonna need a locked jar to put the jam in when it's finished. Also, your pan for the stove. So let's dive into it, my beautiful people. First, you want to remove all the seed from the papaya. These are the seed. See, you just want to remove all of them. You don't want these, okay? You don't want the seed in what we are doing. So you're going to remove all the seed. And remember, the papaya comes with skin on it, so you got to wash it and peel it. Beautiful people, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell. So when D Dawn is doing a video, you will be the first one to be notified. Yeah, so you just want to show out the seed. Okay, there's a next seed in it. Yeah. And then we're going to slice our papaya up. And you got to use the right papaya for that, not the green one, okay? You're not cutting too fine because you use a blender. You're going to cut after you finish cut, you're going to put them in the blender. You see, the papaya have to be ripe. And you're going to squeeze your lemon juice. And we're just going to set this aside. So now you're going to put the papaya in your blender or your NutriBullet, whatever you have. And now, beautiful people, we're going to blend the papaya until it becomes puree. And now you're just gonna pour it out in the pan that will be going on the fire. And you want to scrape your papaya out. I'm gonna add a 1/4 spoon of ginger powder. And we're just gonna place this on the fire. So basically, what the lemon juice do, the lemon juice we're using is our preservative. So this will keep it for as long as possible. So when you make the jam, you're just gonna refrigerate it, okay? So this is the lemon juice. We're not putting in this yet. We're gonna let a lot of the water evaporate out from the papaya. So the papaya is on the fire, and the moment it's on, that's our ginger. This add flavor to it. You're just gonna keep stirring, and you're not gonna leave this unattended. You're gonna stir it for 8-10 minutes. Let it boil up and some of the water keep going out. So you're gonna stir from side all around because you don't want it burn. It easily burn. If you have a non-stick pot, you can use your non-stick, but I'm not using the non-stick today. I'm just using my stainless steel. And all you got to do, you see it's bubbling up. Just keep stirring, and the side, just scrape the side down. Just keep putting the side down. Because if you leave the side there, then it's gonna burn. So just keep putting it down. And now we add in our sugar. It's like 5 minutes, so we add our sugar. We are nowhere there yet, as yet. You need to boil more. You see, it's still watery, so it's got to boil. All you got to do is just keep stirring. You don't want to have the fire too high. Just keep the fire low. The beautiful people looking at it now. Wow, you still need some more time. We get in there, but we still need more time for it to dissolve out a little and get thick. See, we get in there. They're getting there, okay? You just have to keep stirring, same way. Just keep stirring. And now, beautiful people, it is time to put the lemon juice in. And this is gonna give it that nice tangy flavor to it. Wow. We're getting there. In the next 5 minutes, it should be finished. Beautiful people, man. Look at the what? Look at the papaya jam. We almost there. You see? Remember, the pot was almost full. And you just have to let it get down there, man. You see? You see, guys? It's not that thin. It's more like a jam right now. See? And you don't want to have it on the fire too long for it to get too thick. But I think this is where we need it, you see? You can see the pot, you see the bottom, right? This is all, you know, your papaya jam is almost done. So for it to thicken like this, it's 20 minutes now since it is on the fire. 20 minutes, exact 20 minutes. Oh, wow. You see the pot, you put it one side now and you see it doesn't really come back. The pan is clear. And you spoon it up and you see it's thick. Right. So we're going to remove this from the fire now. So now, beautiful people, our papaya jam is now cool. And look, you're going to use it on the bread. You see? And we have crackers. I'm going to put some on the crackers too. Wow. So guys, you want to put your papaya jam in a lock-tight container. So this is a cover I'm going to use on this. So this is our papaya jam, as you see before. See? So it looking? Right. That's how you want your papaya jam too. You're looking when it's ready. So, my beautiful people, the papaya jam is now ready to be eaten. It's on the bread and the crackers. Guys, remember, give it a try. You don't have to be buying papaya jam. Make your own. And you even get more when you make it. So guys, please remember to thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Thank you, beautiful people, for watching D Don Kitchen. Love you all. Peace.